Hi, it's Joan from Kristen Jones Travels. We are on the Prima and we are able to go to our room. So we are in room 16710, which is a spa balcony. So here we go. So as usual, when you first come in, we did have to put a card in. They did not provide it. That takes care of the lights, and that takes care of the temperature, and you hit that when you say do not disturb. Makeup room. You want it to make up room. You want to hit do not disturb. The key card has to be in there, a key. So we used a hotel room key. Has to be in there for the lights and the air to work. You first walk in. Alright. First walk in. There's a closet right here. Extra bedding. Some hangers. It's just a regular closet for luggage and stuff and storage. And then the closet. Hanging closet. We only got one robe. We're going to ask for another one. We do have the spa balcony, which entitles us to robes. And these have drawers. Baskets, excuse me. These have baskets. And then this is a fold down if you wanted to need a shelf. So you don't need it as long. You can make this a shelf with that one. Or put it back up in here. And the second set of drawers. Long shelves. You got your safe. I don't know how to. That's very small, and it won't fit a tablet or anything like that unless you have a Kindle. That's about it. It's only meant for your phones and wallets and jewelries and stuff like that. So, in case people were wondering, it's not big enough for that. And then two more baskets for storage. So one large closet. And then you come in, and here's the desk. So the phone. You have two regular outlets. Shelf with cups. And then another set of one regular outlet with a USB-C and a USB and a European. And that's the hello. And a drawer, which none of the other ones have had. And we always think this is cute. Just a little footstool, garbage can.
It's a chair.
A chair, footstool. And they do have hairdryer. And yes, it is a powerful hairdryer. It's better than the ones. Has up its speeds. Yep, so it's powerful enough. Better than the ones in the hotel rooms. So the hotel rooms on the walls, those are usually really have no power. Those are fine. And the mini fridge has water and sparkling water and stuff that is not included in your drink package. It is charged. They will charge you if you drink it, but it is if you want to put some stuff in here. That is. So that is the shelf. The desk is very small. So that's it pretty much for storage. Just those two closets. Come around here. You have the couch. This is a room for two, so it is just that. There's no other, that doesn't turn into a bed. There's no other beds in here, so this is just for two. And that's the decoration. Here's the bed, king size bed, good size bed. And then it's open, so of course you can fit all of your luggage under there. Then it has a dresser with two shelves. So that's, and somebody left their stuff, obviously he didn't clean. Garbage. And then there's a lights, there's a switch by this side of the bed that has a power outage, so if you need a CPAP. And then the lights have the USB-C, the regular USB. So that is on the one side of the bed. And then at the side of the bed of the end table, it's just a straight end table, no drawers, but it does have a USB-C and USB port, the light switch. So. And there's the TV, basic TV. It's all nice and bright. And here is the deck, the balcony. It's a good sized balcony. So these chairs are new chairs, new style chairs. They're wicker with 2 chairs on the table. We are at a Port Canaveral. So we're aside Carnival Magic and the MSC. I'm not sure what that one is. So this is the balcony. And then his whole balcony's up is locked. And then a child lock here. So, and this one is actually at level where other ones way up high, could never reach them. So this is a quick tour of the room. Nice and bright. It's different than the other ones. And then you got 4 hooks. And we'll find out later if these are magnetic or not. And that's, so this is the pretty much size of the room from the entrance. And then let's go into the bathroom. Always watch your step. And some people have a problem with the door shutting behind you. I don't understand what that problem was. So this is a good sized bathroom. It's actually about the same size as the other ones. One said it was a lot bigger than, but we've always had about this size bathrooms. It's a shower that's bigger. So you have toilet. You got some shelves down there. You have some shelving, good storage, and a nice sink. You do have liquid soap, which is nice, not the bar soap. And then that is the outlet for razors only, electric razors. You can't use hair dryers or anything else for that. And then underneath here, the trash, some more storage. Towels, towel rack, got some hooks on the door. Actually, this actually is a smaller bathroom. I thought it's smaller than I thought it would be. Now the shower is a nice size shower. You got your clothesline, big shower head, good size, and you got your spots for your stuff. Footrest, yay! This one has a footrest for your shave. It's good size. So the shower itself, like I said, is good size. The adjustment on the water there. So, but yeah, overall, I think this bathroom isn't any bigger than the other ones that they've claimed that these bathrooms are bigger. They're not bigger. Unless you got a spa, unless you got a other size upgrade. So, but it's still nice. So, this is the bathroom. Like I said, and this is the entryway. Another view of the closets. So, alright, well, hope you like this video. Hope this helps. We might do another room tour of the lived-in look to see what everything really looks, how everything really works and what it looks like. And if you like this video,